Some of the issues the 98,000 deaf people face in the country is the lack of access to information, receiving inadequate service at public facilities such as at state hospitals and police stations. The association also alleges that deaf people struggle to school beyond grade 10, thus they are deprived of attaining grade 12 qualifications. Given the opportunity to respond first to the issues raised regarding education, David Namwandi, the Education Minister, said some of the issues brought forth by the association were contrary to the truth.
The truth is contrary because the sign language is recognized in our schools. Recognized as a subject and is even examinable. And it's the only country, the colleagues are praising South Africa here, but it's the only country, I think, in the whole of Africa that's doing it. So might be it's a lack of information. I don't know.
Namwandi also said his ministry was in the process of training taxi drivers sign language so they can be in a better position to communicate with the hearing impaired. Responding to the association, Health Minister Richard Kamwe said the recommendations made by the group to train some of the nurses to conduct sign language could not have come at a more opportune time as the ministry is currently restructuring its operations.
What we can do is to consider a training in sign language, at least in specialized services. Those nurses who are engaged, especially at casualty department, there is need for them to certainly assist. I'm accompanied by Deputy Permanent Secretary, who is the chairperson of our restructuring, and it's at its last stage before it can come to your office, Prime Minister.
With regards to the lack of information, Joel Kapanda, the Minister of Information, stressed on the importance of effective information dissemination by all government ministries to all the country's citizens.